Hello everyone, welcome to NetConvert. I am going to show you how to convert your existing OST to PST. OST means offline storage tables and PST means personal storage table. If you have an email account as a configured as Exchange account, you want all the mails are stored as an OST. If you want to export your data from one computer to another computer, it has to be in a PST. So you need convert OST to PST. Today I introduce one data conversion tool who is help you convert OST to PST. Stellar Converter is brilliant product which help you easily convert OST to PST. This tool have many benefits. Stellar Converter tool have no size limitation. So go to stellarinfo.com. I will share video description this link. So let's see how to use this tool. First I already downloaded this tool. I already downloaded tool. So this is simple. You can download this tool and this installing is very easy. I already also installed this tool. I open this tool, run as administrator. Yes, then I select Outlook OST file. It's come default which have configured Outlook, and if you don't know location you should be click find, and I know my location, so I click browse and open and click on convert. And wait sometimes for conversion. This taken little times, and you also get many tools in online, but this tool is very much excellent tool and its conversion time is very low. And already I got all mails in left side. Now I convert this file in PST. If you have open MS Outlook, you should be close MS Outlook. Okay, convert. I converted PST and choose the destination path and click on OK. Okay, my conversion is completed. Now I want to show you how to add this PST on your Outlook. So this is simply, I opened Outlook and click accounts and click data file, then add converted PST and click on OK. Okay, you will get all emails in here. This is really very much simple steps. I think you will be seeing all steps. If you like my video, please subscribe this channel, and I think you also um, like this tool, and this is very much good tools. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Stay with us, stay safe,